Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Oh my gosh, we have the Olay cleansing melts for $1.99 and a $27 basket of magic for free. So we're going to take this deal bite by bite and I'm going to explain it. This is in store because we're working with Register Rewards. But the first piece of the puzzle is the 5 back when you spend 15. If you order any print, these magical boosters are printing out of the machine. When you go to the photo counter, ask the cashier. And I would go to a regular cash if it's not working back there, but ask, say, are those goofy coupons printing? Go to a regular register and ask, are the coupons printing? And they'll know if anything's printing out of the machine. 5 back when you spend 15, a bit of razzle dazzle and magic. So we currently have this code, which is photo free. It's one free 8x10 print per account, and you can do this until Wednesday the 4th. And I tried on Monday morning and I did 2 separate accounts, 2 different prints, and guess what? 2 of them printed for me. So it's going to cost you a goose egg to give this a try, but really worth it. The first deal with this booster, we're going to get right into it. What we're going to do, guys, is grab 2 of the Head & Shoulders products at $6 each. $3 register reward when you buy 2 of them. And then some of us got this really generous coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. Alternatively, if you do not have this one, possibly you might have a 3 off of 2, so it'll be a $1 extra for this transaction. Now, we're also going to grab 3 of the $5 Oral-B products. You can get these gum cares. I like any sort of floss pick. They also have a thing of dental floss for $5, so we're going to grab 3 of them. And we have this really great coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. So we're going to have that guy loaded and ready to rock and roll for this deal. To show you my basket again, I have 3 of those dental care products, so a floss and 2 of those gum cares. Alternatively, if you wanted to get 3 flosses or 3 of the gum care floss picks, you can grab those, and then 2 Head & Shoulders. This is $27. So 2 shampoos for $12, 3 of the Oral-B products for $5 a pop, which is $15, for a total of $27. Get the cashier to scan your booster, which is a 5 back when you spend $15. You have $9 in digitals that are melting off, the $5 for the Oral-B and the $4 for the Head & Shoulders. With your debit card, you're going to pay $18, as it's a spend 15 to get back 5. So pay that balance with your debit card so you get no trouble. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, $13 in register rewards, making everything free. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're going to land into some trouble if you do that. And then I just wanted to show you guys the register rewards that printed for me. We have the top one for Head & Shoulders, which is a regular schmegular register reward, $3 back when you buy 2. The $5 for the Oral-B. Now, if you look at the dates on top for those 2, they expire on December the 15th, and then the congratulations $5 off of the P&G one, the one at the below. So this is $13 technically. But if you really look at the one below, which is the P&G or the blue one, look at that expiry date at the very top. It expires on Thursday the 5th for me, and I did the deal on Monday. You must use this by Thursday because it will expire. It has a very quick expiry date, and I don't really like these when they show up because it's like, it's just a pain somewhere, and they just kind of sneak that in, hoping that shoppers will just let it expire or whatever. So this is what I did in my second transaction. These Olay melts, the 32 count, are $10.99. Now, I'm not doing some mathematical great deal other than this is a product I've been looking at for months and I really want to try. And I think for $1.99 for a box of 32, that's a pretty good deal. So a lot of us received a $4 digital for this specific product. It's called Olay Cleansing Melts, and it's basically a tablet that you activate with water and you can wash your face. There's a vitamin C one with retinol. I'm so excited. I got the retinol one today. And as you can see, I have this $4 off. It's valid from the 2nd to the 15th. And then I also paired it with this because this will work because that's an Olay product, part of the P&G family, and it scanned for me. So just very straightforward math for this, grabbing one of these Olay melts for $10.99, subtracting that $5 P&G register reward from the first transaction plus that $4 digital. That's $9 right there, guys. You're paying $1.99 for this product that's usually $12.99. Stocking stuffer, Merry Christmas to me, whatever you want. I mean, like, I'm so excited about this product, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but for $1.99, I really wanted to try this product. So I'm like really excited. And I know a lot of you also were really curious to try this product. And as couponers, we do not pay $12.99 for products. So for $1.99, I'm all about that. That's it for this video, guys. Good luck and go and make these deals happen. $1.99 for this? Yeah, absolutely. And I know a lot of you love skincare too. So absolutely. We'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.